Today, I'm sharing 3 easy recipes with only 3 ingredients each. Let's make chocolate cookies, a crispy potato pancake, and baked peppers with eggs and cheese. Let's get cooking. Let's start with these easy chocolate cookies. They are made with just 3 simple ingredients and come out rich, soft, and full of chocolate flavor. Next, we're making a crispy potato pancake. With potatoes, eggs, and green onions, this simple recipe is perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. Peel 4 potatoes and grate them on a coarse grater. Add salt and squeeze out the excess water well. Place the potatoes in a pan with a little oil. Cook over medium heat, covered with a lid. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, until it becomes golden and crispy on the bottom. Beat 2 eggs and pour them on top. Add chopped green onions. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Carefully flip the pancake. Cook uncovered for another 5 to 6 minutes until it gets a crispy crust. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. 3-ingredient potato pancake, ready? For the final recipe, we're making baked peppers with eggs and cheese. It's an easy oven recipe that's filling, flavorful, and great for any meal of the day. Cut 4 peppers in half and clean them. Brush the peppers with a little oil so they roast better. Then add crumbled cheese. Crack 1 egg into each pepper and season with a little salt and black pepper. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius / 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Which recipe was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy homemade recipes. Thanks for watching.